40 cameras placed around Austin and nearly 500 cameras mounted on vehicles. They're license plate readers.
It's an automatic tool that alerts us of criminal activity tied to a particular license plate.
Recently, they helped locate the suspects accused of killing InfoWars writer Jamie White. And a recent city audit found about 75 million scans resulted in 165 arrests, 133 prosecutions, and one missing person found.
It's what we would call a force multiplier that really helps us in times where we have low staffing, to where officers don't have the time to dedicate to just running license plates or looking for one particular individual. We're able to utilize technology to help us be on the lookout in different areas more often than we would be otherwise.
But Jared McClain, an attorney for Institute for Justice, says it's unconstitutional.
Before they're intruding into your personal privacy, we have this step where you have to go before a neutral magistrate. And by just giving carte blanche access to all of your information to police at all times, it would make law enforcement easier, but it does so at the cost of our privacy rights.
Community members and Austin City Council members express their concerns.
Once the data is collected, it can be accessed by ICE or other departments out of state using Flock's network.
A city audit says, quote, legally, if Flock has data that would aid a law enforcement entity in an investigation, they are required to share that information with the requesting entity. That data could then be used for investigations on matters that could include First Amendment activities, reproductive care access, and immigration status.
When you just have to rely on the good faith of police to not put this data, to put this information to bad use after they collect it, that's a troubling place to be.
We've never been an immigration enforcement authority here at APD, and none of our tools are being used for that purpose. And there's controls to prevent that from happening as well.
The Austin City manager decided to axe the license plate reader program. After having the program for a little more than a year, it's ending at the end of this month. And it could be months before the council brings up this topic again.
It's going to take us longer in order to develop leads, and potentially longer to be able to identify suspects or to arrest individuals, which means that the public is going to be in danger for longer.